Athenguard Business Information Technologies presents Dominator Cat 8 Enterprise Grade Patch Cables. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables come in a 22 AWG solid copper wire screen shielded and foil twisted pair SSTP construction. Upgraded Cat 8 cable technology create low attenuation and eliminate crosstalk within and outside the cable. Eliminate interference, EMI radiation, RFI, and electromagnetic induction. PVC jacket UL 1666 CMR fire rated, ROHS certified. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are built with shielded and grounded metal field termination plugs to provide superior shielding from EMI and RFI while making the plug more durable than plastic applications. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are ISO IEC 11801 ANSI TIA 568-C.2-1 certified for 40 G-base-T 802.3BQ-2016, 2000 MHz up to 98 foot or 30 meters. ABIT Dominator cables are fully backwards compatible with 10 G-base-T, 2.5 G-base-T, and G-base-T applications with auto negotiation. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are ideal for rack center topologies, top of rack, end of row, middle of row, small medium-sized businesses, multi-gigabit home networks, and the lowest latency gaming experience possible. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are suited for all standards of IEE Power over Ethernet applications. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are HDMI Ethernet channel HEC capable. ABIT Dominator cables are grounded and shielded for PoE KVM switch AV setups. HDMI 2.1 and all previous standards are supported. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables will support up to 10K resolutions at 120 Hz and all lower speeds. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are 444 chroma subsampling capable. All ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables come tested for quality assurance. ABIT Dominator Cat 8 cables are proudly manufactured in the United States and shipped globally. ABIT thanks you for supporting New York State small businesses like ours. You can find the link for our shop below. Thank you so much.